Welcome to ATP Customs. Well, we got another project on the trailer. We have a crashed little Mustang for a customer that needs a little repair. Needs a lot of repair. It's got lots of good damage in it, but the subframe itself looks okay. Got a little tweaked right along this frame rail, but I think we can straighten that. So, this is an all-original Cobra Mustang, the Canadian model, which means it's basically a decal package, but it still is an actual original Cobra. Came with a whole lot of parts inside, headers and aluminum heads. Oh yeah, lots of fun stuff to install in this. It is nice and clean. It even has the factory radio. Look at that. So, we have lots of little damage on it, here and there. A forklift. Somehow the fork hit it there and there, which I'm happy that's not from the collisions. That means we don't have to do a bunch of straightening. The doors close nicely, which is wonderful. Lines look okay. So that's pretty minor. I think we even have another fender for this. We might even have a hood laying around for it. If not, the owner does have another donor car that we can take apart. But we're trying to avoid that. That way he could sell that one, pay for all of this one. Definitely needs a front bumper by the looks of things. Needs a grill, needs headlights. Missing a molding. It hit a tree as it went off the road. Lots of damage to deal with. Oh yes, there's another good one right along here. There you go. A nice clean little Mustang, which are getting kind of hard to find. Even though it is crashed, we're still going to keep it clean. Oh, it has a gear drive in it too. So it'll be a nice clean original Mustang, but it's going to have aluminum heads and a gear drive. I guess that's not original, but the rest of it will be. And I believe he has all new tires for it. Love the turbine rims. Those are getting harder to find too. So there you go. Another Foxbody Mustang project is hitting the shop right now. Well, Mount White's going to pull the front end off and see what we think. See how much damage there is before we continue. We'll just do an evaluation and go from there. So we got it in the shop. It is not a Cobra manifold, but it does have one with it. It came with long tube headers. I believe that's all factory intake. We have a Cobra intake from a 93, according to Mr. White. Set of Edelbrock Performer heads. And a set of Flowmasters. And tailpipes. We are missing the X-pipe. Well, that's a pretty good start. Supposedly it has some kind of a stage 1 cam in it, along with the gear drive. So we're going to have to pull all that out and give it a massive detail. It's had some mouse evidence in it, and showing just over 98,000 on the, I guess you guys can't see that. It's just over 98,000 kilometers on it. So, crashed Mustang's about to come apart. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.